This kind of program is important for the community because there is a lack of information between refugees. They are new to the country, they don't know their rights and the laws of this country. Also, the participation of the youth is important because these people are not very fluent in English, and their children help them translate the information they get from these programs.
Do you benefit from the program, the legal information that they got, um, so they can teach their family and their own community, and also they can share the legal information that they have gotten during the sessions. They also learn how to be leaders and how to plan an event.
The youth gain a ton of information and contacts if they need legal advice in their future. Second, they had a fun experience organizing the event with their friends. I also think that they feel more secure having all their questions answered by the refugee and immigration lawyers.
I think it was great that the youth can communicate what they learn to the community. They participate at the cafecito very well. It just looks natural for them, and they start to understand they have a participation in the community and they have a role in it. Um, and of course, they come back to the with their parents and their families with a message.
So before this program, the participant didn't know really about immigration and refugee law, but during to the sessions, you learned uh, a lot of legal information, uh, and they had physical resources to hear from like settlement workers, legal service workers, immigration lawyers, and this knowledge increased their leading skills and their confidence in their own community.
I think we all kind of learned more, uh, like to participate more with public speaking and management skills and like writing. I think all those skills were things that we definitely developed and practiced more in the program, both us and the youth. So I think I think we really developed that.
So the youth had an opportunity to share their legal information resources and their knowledge that they learned during the sessions, and that increased their communication skills as youth leaders.
The youth left the program with more information about refugees in the community. This allowed them to share important information and provide help to other members of their family.
So as a Newcomer Community Justice program officer, I feel like I learned more about how the actual process of applying for refuge is more complicated than I feel a lot of people think it is. And it definitely taught me that people do struggle with it and they kind of need the help that we give them through the information that we learn. I also got to learn how much more of a focus we should have on actually being aware of our laws and being aware of the government decisions that might affect people through both the immigration process, the refugee process, or just general human rights.
And for me, it will be how legal help can help our community get access to free legal counsels and legal help for the community is something that everyone should be around. Let them know to the youth that they have all the tools to introduce themselves and their family, all legal help that they can get. That's something that we should be proud of.